Welcome everyone to the talk from Kundisch, a Phoenix Mecano company. I'm delighted to introduce Sebastian Gepp today, who is head of printed electronics development at Kundisch, and he will share with us today applications using printed and hybrid electronics in the human-machine interface industry. Sebastian, over to you.
Thank you, Christoph. Welcome everybody to our presentation, and I will show you a bunch of applications and some live examples you see just behind me. I will switch over to those as needed. First of all, I would like to show you what Kundisch is doing and where we belong to. Phoenix Mecano is a stock exchange company based in Switzerland. It's a holding of many companies as well as Kundisch, and it's divided in several divisions. And in the enclosure division, Kundisch is the major player for printed functionalities. And these printed functionalities will go into housings of Rose or Bobler or of your own housing, depending what your product is. Short history of Kundisch is that we have been founded in 1979, and of course we started with membrane keyboards, and as a specialty, Kundisch did those keyboards on printed substrate made of copper. This is a copper laminate which is etched into shape, and then further layers are printed on it. In 2005, we started the Competence Center for Touch Lamination in our headquarters in Schwenningen, which is southwest in Germany. And in 2016, we got a whole new production floor space in Hungary, including a clean room, of course, which I will show you later. In 2018, we got active in the field of printed electronics, and this is also why I joined Kundisch. Our production floor space, you can see this in the pictures. We have a sheet-to-sheet screen printing facility with a maximum printing size of 700 by 1200 millimeters. And in general, we process more than 21,000 square meters of materials every year. Mainly, we use copper laminates, but of course, we also use printed silver and other materials, such as printed copper, carbon, PDOT, you name many of those. We also use reflow soldering processes to mount our hybrid systems, and up to date, we use about 5 million components every year. Of course, we also do lamination, laser cutting, embossing, and we have the clean room facility. In total, we produce more than 1 million printed products every year and deliver those to all customers all over the world. Now I would like to share a small video, which you can also find on our YouTube channel, which shows us our production facilities in Hungary. Here you see our printing press. See that it's hanging a little bit. Hope that's not too bad. But we also do a lot more in our production facilities in Hungary. There's laser scanning, there's mechanical work. So there's a whole bunch of processes which you can access via the Phoenix Mecano Group. Here you see there was just a short glimpse in manufacturing of membrane keyboards. Innovative laser cutting. Injection molding is also present at that site. So as mentioned, our core business is membrane keyboards, and we use the copper laminate as stated. The copper has a typical thickness of 35 or 70 microns. You know this from regular PCBs. We print further silver on it and other inks. Our embossed keys can have a height of up to 3 millimeters, which is called the Profiline technology. And most of our components are soldered on it. And this is our hybrid electronics. Coming to this, some applications here. We have, of course, capacitive keyboards. You see some images on the right, and here you also see the chip on